Good morning, traders. John Caruso coming back to you here for February 27th with your global currency commentary for the morning. As we come in today, we're seeing a little bit of a bid in the stock market right now. It's got the S&P up about 6-7 points on the morning, trading around $14.99. The dollar has slid back off the highs, but still in relatively close proximity to the highs. We're trading about 81.75 right now. We do have some support that comes in at 81.58 today. The market's kind of digesting the durable goods number from this morning. We did see a disappointing number. We saw that fall off by 5.2%. However, it looks like what was dragging that number down was the automotive sector. Excluding autos, we actually saw a healthy rise in the durable goods orders of up 1.9%. So the market's kind of has some mixed emotions right now over that number, but it does look as if off the open here we're trading higher in equities. Looking at the euro currency, we're up about 25 points this morning, trading 130.83. I wouldn't be surprised to see a retracement upwards to 130.150 and possibly see it climb back as high as 133 here in the short term. You got to remember, we have fallen off a long way. We saw the market trading about mid-January upwards around 137. So we have come off a long way. I wouldn't be surprised to see that market jump to about 133 here in the short term. Japanese yen, we're seeing a bid in that market here. We saw a big spike early on in the week. It appears as if this is some safe haven buying from European debt anxieties. I could see this market stretching to 111.31 here in the short term. The other thing you got to remember is when we were falling off hard in the Japanese yen, that market did leave a lot of gaps in the chart. So those who trade the gap and fill theory, there is a lot of gaps. Namely, there's one up around 118. But I've got a short-term target here on the Japanese yen upwards around 111.31. So. That's all I have for you this morning. If you want to talk about some of the other foreign currencies, please feel free to give me a call. As always, 800-669-5354. And remember, trading futures and options carries risk and may not be suitable for all investors.